Too many people are using this feature. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through on how to fix too many people are using this feature problem on CapCut. It is your first time coming across this channel. Please do it to subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to go to your app store and search for CapCut and update your CapCut. If your app CapCut is not yet up to date, you can go ahead and update yours. As you can see here, mine is up to date. That is why it's showing the option of open here. So the next step you need to take is to go to your phone settings. On your phone settings, all you need to do is to scroll down gently till you get to app management. For some phones, you're going to be seeing something like app lists or apps. So here I'm going to be we are going to wait for the apps to load up. So here is the list of apps on my phone. All you need to do is to scroll down gently to get to CapCut. On your CapCut here, the next step you need to take is to click on storage and cache, and clear your cache and clear the storage. Mind you, the videos on your CapCut is going to be deleted, and that is it for clearing your storage. So in order for you to save your videos, you need to go to your CapCut and save those videos to your internal storage before clearing your storage. The next step you need to take is to force stop the app, and the third step you need to take is to click on permissions and allow every permission here. So permit all the app here, allow them. So after that, you need to force stop the app. Then once you have done for stopping the app, you can now go ahead and try any feature on CapCut. I hope that's going to fix your problem. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because of content very end of this video. If this will help you, please do it to subscribe. Tell me in the comment section if you have to find anything difficult on CapCut. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.